Hello my beautiful subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your Facebook pixel on your Shopify. Now we'll go to our Google Chrome. I already have mine open. Just simply search for Shopify. Now before you can have your pixel installed on your Shopify, you need to create a pixel. Now I'm going to take you through that process. You go to your Meta Business Suite. Now click on All Tools, scroll down, click on Event Manager. Now go to this Connect Data Source and click on it. Web, connect, because Shopify is a website. Now what's the name of your pixel? That's the name. Create the website, the URL. I paste. Now check. Next. Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and follow the instruction to set up the connection. Next. Paste my Shopify URL. Now it has been connected to my Facebook page. It has been connected to my Facebook page. Now let's go. Now for the sole purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to connect your pixel to your Shopify, but you can also add your Facebook directly to your Shopify. I hope this video was useful. Till I see you next time. Bye.